As a CDMO pharmaceutical company, quality has to be paramount to anything else. And I know we really pride ourselves in quality, but second to that is speed and be able to turn on a dime for our clients. A lot of times clients will come in here and have an idea of what they want, but not really know how to get there. They may know what the finish line looks like, but they don't know all the steps involved. So not only are we able to source the equipment or source the excipients, get things here quickly for them, develop their product for them, we can do that quicker than anybody else, but quality is second to none along that way. So we have our schedules 1 through 5 here at Alta Sciences, so we're able to handle controlled substances for our clients. That schedules 1 through 5 is in analytical and manufacturing. We have the correct vaults in place, we have the correct pallet storage in case for the cages. Another unique offering that we offer here is the Grade C room. It's a dual purpose room. So first, it is capable of handling potent products for our clients, which is becoming increasingly more and more desirable. And the second one is a higher classification of a room. So products that need to be terminally sterilized for injectables, we're capable of handling those here at Alta Sciences. We do have a lot of niche products that we offer here for our clients. Liquid fill capsules, wet nanomilling suspensions. You're going to see a theme around liquids, and even more so with the liquid fill capsules, liquids at elevated temperatures. So the operators that we have in place, we take a long time training them, we take even a longer time choosing them. They have to have that attention to detail that is very difficult to find. Because if you're running a product with a liquid and then a liquid that's hot, if anything goes wrong with that product, that can quickly go from a good product to a disaster. And when you're dealing with maybe only a couple 100 milligrams of API for your client, and that's all they have, the importance of it is second to none. So we really pride ourselves in the niche programs that we can run because of the operators that we have.